Okay guys, you need to unlock again the Goldbird's boat dashboard. Click here, mine. So as you can see, there is a 100k reward. So our combo today is that blockchain, Brett Carlson We. Dot blockchain, this one. Second one is Meme under Meme coins, the Brett coin. Okay, and the last one is Carlson We. Not yet unlocked, so we need to unlock the Dorob level 12. Dorob level, this one need to level 12. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, let's go back to Carlson We. Okay, already unlocked. Let's buy. Okay, we got it guys. We got a 100k. Okay, this is the combo today.